Are you struggling to get things done and feeling like you're not as productive as you could be? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people struggle with productivity and time management. In this video, we will be sharing 5 productivity tips that can help you to get things done and increase your productivity. These tips include focusing on one task at a time, prioritizing tasks by order of importance, taking frequent breaks to recharge, following the 2-minute action rule, and employing the time blocking method. By following these tips, you can develop productivity habits that will help you to be more efficient and achieve your goals. Tip number 1: focus only on one task at a time. This tip suggests that you should focus all of your attention on a single task at a time, rather than trying to multitask or switch between tasks frequently. By focusing on one task at a time, you can eliminate distractions and increase your productivity. Tip number 2: prioritize tasks by order of importance. This tip advises that you should prioritize your tasks based on how important they are, rather than working on tasks in a random order. By prioritizing tasks, you can ensure that you are working on the most important things first and not wasting time on less important tasks. Tip number 3: take frequent breaks to recharge. This tip suggests that you should take breaks regularly to recharge and refocus. By taking breaks, you can prevent burnout and maintain your productivity over a longer period of time. Tip number 4: follow the 2-minute action rule. This tip advises that you should tackle any tasks that can be completed in 2 minutes or less immediately, rather than adding them to your to-do list. By tackling small tasks right away, you can prevent them from building up and becoming overwhelming. Tip number 5: employ the time blocking method. This tip suggests that you should block off specific times in your schedule to work on specific tasks. By using the time blocking method, you can manage your time more effectively and ensure that you are working on the most important tasks at the most productive times. By following these productivity tips, you can increase your efficiency and get more done in a shorter amount of time. By focusing on one task at a time, prioritizing tasks based on importance, taking frequent breaks to recharge, tackling small tasks right away, and using the time blocking method, you can develop productivity habits that will help you to achieve your goals and be more successful.